Hello, beer lovers. Mike, the Upside Down Beer Guy. On today's edition of the Upside Down Beer Guy, I'm going to be reviewing McKenna Nectar. It's a barrel-aged imperial stout. It's made by Sons Brewing Company. They're located in Dania Beach, Florida. It comes with a hefty ABV of 14.9%. Now, Sons aged a no adjunct imperial-based stout in Henry McKenna 10-year bourbon barrels for 20 months. Henry McKenna is produced by Heaven Hill, and it's a 100 proof Kentucky bourbon beast. They even have fill and empty barrel fill and barrel empty dates on the label, which I find pretty cool. This was filled on December 19th, 2023. The barrels were, and emptied on August 11th, 2025. Pretty cool. I love a long oak slumber. Oh, there you go. Glug, glug, glug. Used motor oil. Love it. There is absolutely no head on. Very, 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 very thin burnt caramel ring on there. But, wow. Yeah, jet black. Beautiful. I can already tell just by looking at it I'm going to like this. Oh, wow. Yeah, definitely some bourbon lingering in there. Dark chocolate, some vanilla, molasses, a hint of caramel and some char. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It's got a touch of sweetness to it, but great roasted malts with a pretty solid bourbon kicker. Backup singers do their part. Dark chocolate and molasses pair expertly with the bourbon. You get those vanilla nuances from the oak barrel aging. Yeah, you can't replicate that flavor any other way except to prolong oak slumber, and I love it. Now, these high ABV beers also allow me to get a little bit nerdy on you. There's legs on a glass. Probably can't see it in the video. But when you drink a glass of wine and you see those little legs coming down the side of the glass, that's known as the Gibbs-Marangoni effect. It's a result of differences in surface tensions caused by the evaporation of alcohol. Alcohol evaporates faster than the base, in this case a stout, and that causes surface tension gradients. As you take the sip, liquid flows up the side of the glass, a little bit of alcohol evaporates as that happens. When it flows back down, it leaves legs on the glass. It's both chemistry and physics because it involves the interactions of surface tensions and fluid dynamics. You got that? Good. Class dismissed. You all get an A. It's viscous, glug, glug, glug. Definitely full-bodied. It's delicious. It does have a touch of sweetness, but nothing off-putting or overwhelming. You get some hints of caramel and some oaky char in the finish. It's that 14.9% is an added plus. Thank you for joining me on the Upside Down Beer Guy, where I give you a thumbs up, a flip for beer, subscribe, like, share, comment. Until next time, cheers, my fellow Zytophiles.